Hi there! In today's video, I'll show you how to lock apps on your Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus. Let's get started. So, as a first step, as you can notice, we would need to download this app, which name is AppLock Pro. And now click Open to get started. So as a first step here, we would need to create a password with the help of which we will unlock the apps. And by clicking on this tab, we can choose the PIN format, which is 4-digit PIN, 6-digit PIN, pattern, or NAC code. So I'll choose 4-digit PIN and click OK. As a next step, I'll choose my password, then click Create and then verify it one more time. Click Save and this is it. As a next step, we would need to give to this app some permissions so it can work properly. So firstly, we click Permit and then we would need to click on this slider here on the AppLock Pro. As a next step, click Permit again, click on this slider and click OK. As a next step, we click Consent and Permit and also Allow. And this is it. Now, as you can notice, we got two tabs, which is unlocked and locked. Now let's talk about how to lock and unlock the apps. So to lock an application, we would need to click on this icon that you can see on the right edge, and it will automatically swipe to the locked tab. So we can lock calendar. And now to unlock any application, we would need to click on the same icon that you can see here. It's currently blue. So click on it and it will become unlocked. And now let's test it. I will try to open gallery. And yes, it's required to enter PIN code to open the gallery. And this is it. I hope this video helped and thanks for watching.